In open spaces, maintaining optimal safety is paramount. Even minor equipment malfunctions or oil leaks can release a fine mist of oil particles, creating a significant atmospheric hazard. Introducing the SPECS VISION Atmospheric Oil Mist Detector, a critical element in your comprehensive industrial safety strategy. This technologically advanced system continuously monitors the air for the presence of oil mist, ensuring early detection before a potential incident arises. Engineered with exceptional sensitivity and rapid response capabilities, the SPECS VISION Detector triggers an immediate alarm when oil mist levels exceed predefined safety thresholds. This allows for swift and decisive action, preventing fires, explosions, and costly equipment damage. The SPECS VISION Atmospheric Oil Mist Detector boasts a compact, user-friendly design for seamless installation and minimal maintenance requirements. Its robust construction guarantees reliable operation in even the most demanding industrial environments. Whether safeguarding personnel aboard ocean vessels or managing complex industrial facilities, the SPECS VISION Detector offers the essential assurance required for safe and efficient operations. Proactive safety begins with early detection. The SPECS VISION Atmospheric Oil Mist Detector empowers you to reduce risks before they escalate. Invest in the well-being of your crew, your assets, and your overall operation. We all know how important these detectors are for keeping everyone safe. As an authorized SPECS VISION dealer, we offer a comprehensive selection of genuine and original spare parts for your oil mist detectors. From detector complete and sensors to O-rings and cables, we have everything you need to keep your detector functioning flawlessly. We recommend using genuine SPECS VISION parts are designed for a perfect fit and optimal performance. No need to worry about compatibility issues or sacrificing reliability. Don't settle for anything less than the best for your SPECS VISION oil mist detector. With our fast shipping and competitive prices, keeping your safety system running smoothly is easier than ever. For a complete list of available spare parts or to place an order, drop us an email.